How to ensure a smooth transition to a new living arrangement. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. One of the biggest emotional and practical changes after a divorce is adjusting to a new living arrangement. Whether you're moving out on your own, co-parenting between two homes, or simply downsizing, this shift can be overwhelming without the right plan in place. Let's go over how to make the transition smooth for you and your family. Start by planning ahead. If you know you're going to move, create a timeline and checklist for what needs to be packed, sold, or transferred. Be sure to update your mailing address, utilities, and any accounts tied to your old home so you don't miss important documents or bills. Next, if you have kids, communicate early and often. Walk them through the new arrangement in a calm, age-appropriate way. Let them ask questions and be honest about what's changing, but also reassure them about what's staying consistent, like school, routines, or time with both parents. We had a client who moved into a smaller place after their divorce and felt unsure how their kids would adjust. With some thoughtful planning, setting up familiar items in their new rooms and keeping schedules consistent, the transition was far easier than expected. At Divorce 661, we help clients not just finalize their divorce, but also think through the real-life changes that come after. We provide planning tips, checklists, and guidance to help make big moves feel manageable. If you're sharing custody, consider how your living space supports that. Having a second set of essentials like toiletries, clothes, and school supplies can help your child feel at home in both places and reduce the stress of going back and forth. If you're going through a divorce and want help creating a plan for your move, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you handle the legal side and guide you through a smooth, confident transition into your new living situation.